Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a profitable Airbnb rental business step by step clearly. Research your local market to understand demand and competition. Identify the type of property you want to rent out, whether it's a spare room, entire home, or investment property. Determine your budget, considering purchase or rental costs, renovations, and startup expenses. Check local laws and regulations regarding short-term rentals to ensure compliance. Choose a suitable location that attracts travelers or business professionals. Purchase or secure the property while accounting for necessary furnishings and supplies. Furnish the space to create a welcoming and comfortable environment for guests. Take high-quality photos of your property to showcase its best features. Create a compelling Airbnb listing with an engaging description and clear amenities. Set competitive pricing based on market research to attract your target audience. Implement a robust cleaning and maintenance schedule to uphold high standards. Adopt a responsive communication style to engage with potential guests. Establish check-in and check-out procedures to facilitate a smooth guest experience. Gather and respond to guest reviews to build credibility and improve your listing over time. Consider offering added services like local guides or transportation for an enhanced guest stay. Utilize social media and other marketing strategies to promote your property beyond Airbnb. Continuously reassess your pricing and offerings to adapt to changing market conditions. Track your income and expenses to manage profitability and make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.